Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to screen share on Fluxer. So first what you will do is of course go ahead and go to one of your community. Now, in order for you to do a screen share, you have to join one of the voice channel. So if you are on the text category or text channel, of course you're gonna do a screen share. But as you can see, when I go to the voice channel over here, as you can see, we will have an option over here on the left side, share your screen. So here, I could just simply select share your screen. And from here, you will have multiple options. You could either go for a video quality of 480p up to 4K, but mostly 1080p to 4K. You need to have a pro subscription. And same thing with the frame rate, you will have multiple options, and you will have an option as well to share your audio that is happening on your screen. So make sure to turn this on if you want, or sharing a movie. And now, as you can see, once you are done with your preferences, you can just simply select start sharing over here. And now you could go share your Chrome tab only. You could share your whole window. You could share your entire screen. So pretty much I recommend going for the Chrome tab and selecting the tab that you want to share. And pretty much over here, as you can see, we are now sharing. Now to remove the sharing, you would just simply click on stop sharing over here and stop streaming. And you will have multiple options over here that you might want to consider to change after some time. And now you should be able to do that. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.